Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So technically we're probably still in the sideways range. As I said to you yesterday, we'll wait and see what transpires before jumping in on it, and nothing really transpired on the daily. We opened up on the high and then sort of drifted lower down, almost an entire daily inside bar there. So that is a bearish view. So basically we'll get the entry on the hour, but there's a couple of things on offer here. So what we need to do is, if we start dropping below the open of yesterday, which is at 15,454, and we retest that area, then you can expect another move to the downside. I wouldn't expect it to move all the way to the downside. I would expect it to sort of pick up either a Fibonacci retracement here, or alternatively come down onto the trend line. Oscillators are easing off at the moment, so that's on the 3 hour. The daily they're extremely overbought, but easing off on the 3 hour, so this area could be the area that we were looking for a retest. I think if we just get to the hour, I'm going to give us a bit of a clearer view. As you can see, there's our double top there. There's a little bit of a gap though, which we haven't closed. So yeah, I'll take that with a pinch of salt, to be honest. That would close the gap there. In fact, that would close the gap. So there's my previous swing high. There's my previous swing high there. So we've broken up. We've come back. It does look like we're testing the structure. Look at your oscillators, all grouped to the downside, still above the moving averages. Well, most of them, not all of them. We were just below the 33 EMA. So I think, for me, a bit of a channel break here. You see there was a channel there. Sorry, let me just draw it. I know there's a lot of new people following us at the moment. So there's your channel. So strong move up, which is often called a spike, and then into a channel. So you spiked up and then you went into a channel. Now we broke that structure. So typically 50% of the height of this move from the first touch, which I'm going to take it as there. So that is typically your first retracement, and you can see we actually got to the 61.8 retracement of the channel. So with all of that in mind, what I would suggest is pay attention to this 15,467, but bear in mind we've got to get above 15,536 and hold it for this to change. So if I get rid of this channel, you'll notice that there is another channel right there. Okay, so you can see channel up, channel down. Next logical step for me would be a continuation to the upside. This has been a very strong move down, so I don't expect it to fall to the floor, but it may continue down. This channel may be sort of slightly bigger than what I'm portraying there, so it may be something like that. Doesn't really matter how you look at it. Ultimately, that is a level to break. 15,536. You need to break that and hold. So you can see we did break it on, where are we now? So that was Monday that we broke it, and then Tuesday we drifted lower. Only concern I've got is that basically we eroded most of Monday's gains. So you may find up, down, up, down, up, down, still confusion. So yeah, short story, I'm still sitting on hands on the DAX until we sort of get some structure. I am in on the S&P 500 at the moment, and looking to add to that position shortly. But for me on the DAX, I want to see a level hold, and I want to see a level hold properly, or even a strong break out of that level, which is not what we're getting. And the strong break is going to have to be on the daily before I start looking for some opportunities here. Okay, so anyway, that's sit on hands for me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.